Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find your PayPal QR code. PayPal QR codes make payments faster, easier, and completely contactless. Here's why they're so useful. First, they're super convenient. Customers can just scan your QR code with their phone and boom, payment done. No need for cash, cards, or even typing in your email. Secondly, it's secure. Payments go directly to your PayPal account, so there's no risk of sharing personal information or bank details. Third, it's great for businesses, whether you're selling at a farmer's marketplace, running a pop-up shop, or collecting donations. PayPal QR code can make transactions smooth and professional. And the best part is, there are no fees for QR code payments on personal transactions, so you can save money while keeping things simple. And the real question is how to find your PayPal QR code. First of all you have to do is launch your PayPal app on your phone and you will see this interface. This is the main interface of PayPal, and you will see your profile icon on the top right corner of the page. And you will also see a QR code icon just beside your profile icon. All you have to do is click on that QR code icon and instantly your camera will open to scan the QR code. But we do not want to scan any QR code. Instead, we want PayPal to show our QR code. So you will see your code option on the top. You have to click on your code and there you go. You can see your QR code on this section. And here's how you can find your PayPal QR code. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.